Okay, so hey guys, it's Winston, and today we are going to talk about Shuffler. Now, Shuffler is a very interesting way of consuming virtual reality content. It is built with a singular purpose of saving time while testing VR content like 360 images, 360 video, left-right 360 video, and so on and so forth. Um, so let me show you how it works. So you install it, and then if you want to open an image, you can either drag and drop it into the Shuffler interface, or you can do something that I'm doing over here. You can right click, go to open with, and open with Shuffler. So as you can see, the image over here is an equirectangular image, and so it basically opens up in its 360 format. Now what I want to do is I want to use this image and see it in my Oculus Gear VR with my S8. So what am I going to do in that case? So what Shuffler lets you do is it lets you stream content over your local Wi-Fi into your Gear VR. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this streaming code over here to identify my computer and where the app is running. I'm going to take my phone. Okay, I'm going to take my phone. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go to the Shuffler app and just start it up. I'm going to put it in my Gear VR device, and yeah. So what this basically allows you to do is it allows you to stream this content directly onto your Gear VR without connecting any wires to transfer the content. So yeah, as you can see, okay, I entered the code into my Gear VR. Now it will fetch the content, and once the content has been fetched, you can see that I have full control over this content. Now I'm basically testing the content, and okay, I can see the car over there, I can see the building over there, I can see the gate over here, and so on and so forth. It's instantaneous, and it basically syncs content between your desktop and your Gear VR device. Okay, so let's say in any case, let's say you had to, you saw this image and you're like, hey, I just want to see this image over here. In regular cases, what you would have to do is you would have to take the phone out of the Gear VR, connect it to your computer, transfer the file, and then see it in your Gear VR again. That is a very, it has a lot of hassle if you ask me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it in Shuffler. Just take this image and you drop it in, and the image immediately syncs directly with your Gear VR. As you can see, I'm seeing the image instantaneously in my Gear VR. It's that simple. It's very fast, it's very efficient, and I think it's a very novel and revolutionary way of consuming portable VR content. So this works for images, this works for video. Now let's say you don't have a Gear VR, right? Not everybody is expected to have a Gear VR. So what can you do in that case? So what we have over here is, if you open the stream menu bar or stream slider, what you will find is that you have other options also. You have this QR code over here, which you see. Now let's say I want to see this image in my phone, right? So I have my phone right here. I open up my QR code scanner and I scan this app over, scan this QR code, and it tells me to open up. I open it up in Safari, and as you can see, it syncs my phone directly with it. And now I have this entire thing. I'm just gonna make this a little better. Yeah, so now I have this entire interface to myself. I can check it out, and look at this. I twist my phone, I open it up, and you have VR mode right here. And this is running over the browser. There's no app download for this. Apps are available. The app is available only for the Oculus device because it's a high quality app. So yeah, you saw how to connect the Gear VR and the phone, but let's say you had, but we only considered 360 images, right? Let's say you wanted to have a left-right equirectangular image like this one, which is a 3D image. So what you would do in that case is I would just drag it and drop it in, and you can see that it's warped. It's not really ideal. But the thing is, the projection is not right. So what you do is you set projection and you select what kind of image it is. This is a left-right equirectangular image. So I'm going to select left-right equirectangular, and as you can see, it's now properly set up. If I connect this with my Gear VR right now and I wear it, what would happen is it would be true 3D. So I would actually see the depth. Obviously, a 2D screen does not allow you to see depth, which is why the Gear VR will allow you. So, and also it runs in videos, with videos. So this one over here, set projection equirectangular. And as you can see, this video is playing, and if I wear my Gear VR, the same thing will happen. The content will be synced, and I can take a look at this video immediately in my Gear VR. So yeah, that's all for Shuffler. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you use it and find it to be incredibly beneficial.